very nice to use the cruise control, guys. So now I have it on 115. Finally, the gas station, guys. I was a bit worried. This is also a very important city in Romania, among the biggest. Okay, guys, he is a lot into motorcycles, and he said that he is gonna subscribe to my channel. Great. I am in Serbia, guys. There is the door, and my bike here, it's safe. Good morning, guys. I just left Deva, so I am still in Romania, and I am heading to Serbia, Zrenjanin, Vojvodina. So I have a 250 more or less, let's say, kilometers ride, but mostly on a highway. I had a great time in Deva. It was a wonderful walk in the center of the town, but after some 10, 20, 25 minutes, I don't remember exactly, they announced that a big storm, a huge storm, I have to say, it's coming, and I was a bit worried about my bike because of the hail, and I just had to return to my room, to my accommodation, and I parked my motorcycle under the balcony just in case, but you know, after there was nothing, so just some drops, some little rain and nothing more. It is very nice to use the cruise control, guys. So now I have it on 115, and it is just a pure pleasure. You know, your hand is free, and you are more relaxed while riding. What a wonderful view, guys, on that hill up there. Look. Really, really nice. Here the landscape goes a bit down, so the elevation is low, and this is just the beginning from the west, I mean, of Transylvania, and I am now reaching the plain part of Romania, and you will see that hills will quickly disappear, and the terrain is gonna be a lot flatter. I mean the landscape, guys. Of course, it's not Hungary, it's not Serbia, but as you see, the landscape is a lot flatter than it was in the area around Piaggio, for example. Here it's a piece of a regional road, guys. I hope that we will go a bit faster in a few seconds, because now we are doing 40-45 kilometers per hour, and this is just a very slow ride. So I have to say that when I'll arrive to Zrenjanin, I will have to lube my chain and also clean it, because it will be around 800 kilometers from my last cleaning and lubing, and I think that it is gonna be needed. This morning it was quite fresh in Deva. It was 19 degrees, so a really pleasant morning, and it is always easier to start a summer day if it's a bit chiller, guys. Finally, the gas station, guys. I was a bit worried because I have only 1 bar left, and you know, being without fuel, it's really not my option right now. So the gas station is in front of us. Yeah, I'm gonna turn here left and then right. Yeah. Yeah, fine. The sky is getting darker, guys. I hope that it's not gonna rain. Some little drops are on my visor, but I still have faith that it is just gonna pass. I am in Timisoara, guys. This is also a very important city in Romania, among the biggest. So as you can see, it has also a nice public transport options like tram, and it is a very developed city in my opinion, and I'm just gonna pass the city center, and we will see how it looks like. So from here I have probably a little less than 100 kilometers till Zrenjanin, and it is gonna be just a normal regional road, and that's why I will need a bit more time. In Serbian it is Timisoara. So here lives also quite a big Serbian minority, because it's close to the border with Serbia, and overall also Hungarians, Russians, Ukrainians. So this is a part of Romania that it's a mixture of everything. There are also other parts, but this one is special in this regard, guys. It is a normal working day, that's why it is so busy. A church there, so I see quite a lot of trees in this city. Like I told you, a lot of trees. This is a nice park on the right. A green city, in my opinion. Some very old and historical building on the left. You see the windows and the architecture. Some are waiting for renovation, some are already renovated, so it is a lot going on in such a big city. Very nice church, guys. I am leaving Timisoara, guys, and now, like I said, just a regional road, and it will take me a little bit more time, but I think that in 1 hour and a half I am gonna be in Zrenjanin. It depends from the border, I mean the border check there, so we'll see, guys. Let's finish him, guys. I have 80 kilometers to reach Zrenjanin, and I am quite close to the border right now, so I will make one more stop to drink some coffee if I'll find one, and rest a bit and then continue. He is a lot into motorcycles, and he said that he is gonna subscribe to my channel. Great. This is just a small border crossing, and I hope that everything is gonna be fine. I am in Serbia, guys. I passed easily, so just a routine check, you know, on both sides, and I have something like 40 kilometers to reach Zrenjanin, so in 40 minutes I believe that I'm gonna be there. Today it's a bit cloudy. They say that we will have some storms in Zrenjanin, and I should be careful, because these days there is a lot of hail, and I just don't wanna have my bike damaged, you know. I think that I have some 15 kilometers, but I'm not sure, so I'm not using the navigation anymore, because I don't have the prepaid card, so I am just riding and looking to the signs. Look at this one, guys. A kind of a dog carriage. Wonderful. I am in the center of Zrenjanin, and I am heading to the main square to see it. And this is the main square, guys, in front of us. So this is the heart of Zrenjanin. Okay, guys, I am at the main square. The main square in Zrenjanin, it's called the Square of Liberation. In Serbian it is Trg Slobode, and in front of me it's King Petar, so King Peter it would be in English, and it was the latest king of Serbia and also the king of the Republic of Serbs, Croat and Slovenes, so from the beginning of 20th century. So this is the Catholic Church, guys, a very nice one and well maintained, or let's say preserved. In front of us the green building, a very big one, and it has some kind of a historical let's say appearance. This is the city hall or town hall, and it is also the seat of the mayor inside. So the mayor of Zrenjanin, it's inside. Here you can see 4 flags. The right one, it's the flag of Zrenjanin. Hotel Zlatni Klas, guys, in Zrenjanin. There is the door, and my bike here, it's safe. This is my room there, so let's check it. So 2 beds, even though I will need just one, and a TV. I have also a kind of a fridge, but it's not working probably, but I don't care. And here it's the bathroom, guys. So I think that for 20 euro including breakfast, this is just very cheap. This is all, guys. This is all for today. This was my day riding from Deva to Zrenjanin. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you had fun. Tomorrow I will be leaving Zrenjanin and heading to Slovenia, so heading home. Do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one. 13 degrees, guys. This is very cold, and today is the 27th of July. I have to pack everything and leave Serbia. I am in Slovenia, guys, finally, after